Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. You'd think a toothpaste that promises enamel repair would feel gritty, yet this formula slides on smooth, almost like a frosted soda. Early field data shows a surprising pattern. A coffee-drinking teacher reported that after a week of brushing twice daily, the usual ache when sipping espresso faded, and the bright shine returned to her smile. Another signal came from a marathon runner who, after battling icy popsicle pangs, found the sting disappear within 10 days, allowing cold treats without flinching. Even the mild mint scent seems to win over those who normally reject strong flavors, while still delivering the whitening boost promised on the label. All this comes in a 3.4-ounce tube, sold in a 4-count pack that fits neatly in a bathroom drawer. Verdict: ideal for anyone battling sensitivity who craves a polish.